Integration using trigonometric identities, part 4. Question number 1. Integration cos 2x dx divided by cos x plus sin x. This will be equal to integration cos square x minus sin square x dx divided by cos x plus sin x. Now we factorize the numerator, so that will give cos x plus sin x times cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x times dx. Here cos x plus sin x will cancel out and we will get integration cos x minus sin x dx. So it will become sin x, and integration of sin x is minus cos x. So this will become cos x plus c. Now let's see question number 2. Question number 2 says integration cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x dx. Cos 2x can be written in terms of sin x like 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x dx whole divided by cos square x. Here 2 sin square x, 2 sin square x to cancel out, and we will get integration dx upon cos square x, which is integration sec square x dx, which is equal to tan x plus c. Now let's go to next question. Question number 3. Integration sin cube x plus cos cube x dx divided by sin square x times cos square x. Formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So that formula we can apply here. It will be integration sin x plus cos x times but this method will not work properly here. It will make our question complicated. So let's take some simple method. So we can divide it separately. So what do we get? Sin cube x divided by sin square x cos square x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x whole dx. Now we will be left with sin x upon cos x times cos x plus cos x divided by sin x times sin x dx. Here I have written cos square x as cos x to make it tan x, and Sine square x is written as sin x so that it may become cot x. Now it will become tan x into sec x dx plus it will become cot x into cosec x dx. This will give sec x. This will give minus cosec x plus c. This method is better. Now, question number 4. So, question number 4 says integration tan power 4x dx. We write it tan square x times tan square x dx. We further write it sec square x minus 1 times this tan square x is written as sec square x minus 1 and keeping second one as intact. So it will become sec square x times tan square x dx minus integration tan square x dx. Further, we write it sec square x times tan square x dx minus, this can be written as sec square x minus 1 dx. Now we integrate. So here we have to put tan x equal to t. So that will give sec square x dx equal to dt. So this thing sec square x dx will become dt and tan x is t. So we will get integration t square dt minus sec square x dx will give tan x and integration of 1 dx will give x. So from here we will get tan x and here there is minus sign and this minus sign will make it plus. So plus x plus c. Here this will become t cube by 3 minus tan x plus x plus c where t equal to, here we have made substitution that tan x equal to t. So this will become tan cube x by 3 minus tan x plus x plus c. Now, let's go to question number 5. Question number 5 says, we are given integration tan cube 2x into sec 2x dx. Let 2x equal to t, so 2 dx equal to dt or dx equal to half dt. So our question becomes 1 by 2 integration tan cube t sec t and dt. Now we write it like tan square t times tan t into sec t dt. Further we write sec square t minus 1 times tan t sec t dt. Now we make assumption. Let sec t equal to sec t tan t dt will be equal to t. Our question will become 1 by 2 integration. This is u. So u square minus 1 and this all becomes d. So we integrate it. So it will become u cube by 3 minus u plus c. Big values u cube. Here u is sec t and t is 2x. So we can say sec 2x cube divided by 3 minus u. U is sec t and t is 2x. So sec 2x plus c. We can further multiply to make it 1 by 6 sec cube 2x minus 1 by 2 sec 2x plus c. Now let's go to next question. Question number 6. It is little difficult question. Dx divided by cos x minus alpha times x minus, sorry, times cos x minus beta. Now, what we do, we have to make cos x minus alpha and cos x minus beta in numerator also. For that, we write here sine alpha minus beta. And in numerator also, we multiply sine alpha minus beta dx divided by cos x minus alpha times cos x minus. Now further, 1 upon sine alpha minus beta times integration. Here we insert x. So sine x minus alpha minus x. So here it is with x minus alpha, no, x minus beta minus x plus alpha, because x was not present, so x must cancel out, and beta is negative, so beta is negative and alpha is positive, divided by cos x minus alpha times cos x minus beta and dx. It will become 1 upon sine alpha minus beta times. Here, further write it sine x minus beta, one bracket, and we take minus sign common, then x minus alpha in another bracket, and then whole divided by cos x minus alpha times cos x minus beta. Now, here we expand it by using sine a minus b, 1 upon sine alpha minus beta times integration sine x minus beta times cos x minus alpha minus sine x minus alpha cos x minus beta, and divide both terms separately, and there is dx at the end. So here cos x minus alpha times cos x minus beta, here also cos x minus alpha times cos x minus beta. Now cos x minus alpha will cancel out for here, and here cos x minus beta will cancel out. So we will get 1 upon sine alpha minus beta integration sine x minus beta divided by cos x minus beta dx, and don't write dx here, Let's write in bracket. And then second term will give sine x minus alpha divided by cos x minus alpha and then dx. Now it is simple. If we take denominator equal to t, so it's a differentiation between numerator. So but first, let cos x minus beta equal to t, we differentiate it. So we get minus sine x minus beta times dx will be dt. And similarly, if we take cos x minus alpha equal to u, then minus sine x minus alpha and dx will be d. So our question will become 1 upon sine alpha minus beta times integration. From here we are getting minus dt. So minus dt upon t, and from here we are getting minus sine x minus alpha dx equal to du. So this will become plus du upon u. Now this will become 1 upon sine alpha minus beta, and this will become minus log t plus log u plus c. Further, so it will become 1 upon sine alpha minus beta times. We apply property of log. So property of log is log m minus log n is equal to log m upon n. So here u will be in numerator and t will be in denominator. So it will become log u upon t plus c. Now u equal to cos x minus alpha and t is cos x minus beta. So it will become sine alpha minus beta times log u, that is cos of x minus alpha divided by cos x minus beta plus c, which is our answer. Thank you for watching.